It on. We phoned up. Was it friendly?
Have you ever been on a website called Pages?
No, serious. And then I had another. Well, it was so hot. They were trying to phone in your face.
This is the Curry Club, which meets every couple of months. I've met a couple of old buddies of mine. They both look a lot older than they used to. This is Tim Bull, a very old friend of mine. And over there's Barry Payne. Last time I saw him, he was 20 years younger and didn't wear glasses. But it's a very good do because we just pay £20 and you can eat virtually as much as you like, plus you get a couple of pints of beer. And this straggly hair behind me is my colleague George Marshall, who'll give us hello George. And then we got various inebriates around the table. Steve Porter, an old customer of mine, who I've seen for possibly 25 years, and there's Warren. And then we got Warren here, who I see too bloody often.